Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOSGods on iPhone. Let's start by opening the settings on your phone and check if the internet connection is good. Scroll down, click on General, check Software Update, then go back to General, navigate to Background App Refresh, select Wi-Fi and Mobile Data, and go back to General, navigate to VPN and Device Management, tap on it to disconnect, go back to Settings, and click Screen Time, scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, click on iTunes and App Store Purchases, then go to Install Apps and select Allow, go back to Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on Content Restrictions, click Apps and select Allow All Apps, go back to the main settings and click App Store, then go to App Downloads and select Always Allow. After doing all the steps, restart your phone and then your problem will be fixed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.